Melbourne is a bustling city with diverse communities, so it's no wonder this culturally rich city is also Australia's fastest growing one. To accommodate Melbourne's rapid growth, Downer, as part of the Evolution Rail Consortium, is delivering the high-capacity metro trains project for the Victorian Government. As the largest single order of trains in Victoria's history, the project includes manufacture of 65 trains and construction of the state-of-the-art maintenance depot, a light service facility, 2 train simulators and maintenance of the trains for over 30 years. The project is delivering up to 1,100 new jobs in manufacturing, construction, maintenance and the supply chain across Victoria. Now let's take a look at how these world-class trains are being built right here in Victoria for Victoria. Downer invested over $16 million in upgrades to our historic Newport manufacturing facility in Melbourne's west, where the fleet is built. We install mechanical and electrical equipment, including pantographs, heating and air conditioning, traction and bogies, which are manufactured locally in Victoria and Australia. Downer has invested heavily in workforce development, creating high-skilled jobs across Victoria. We train our workforce in rolling stock engineering, manufacturing and testing, and our apprentices, cadets and trainees make up 15% of our workforce. The state-of-the-art train maintenance facility located in Pakenham East has been built with over 90% local content. It sets the benchmark as Australia's largest maintenance facility with a stabling yard and driver training facilities, including a high-tech simulator.
I'm Matt Arculus, I'm the HCMT Project Director. I'm really proud of the state-of-the-art train. It's an innovative train, it's a new train with increased capacity. You can walk from one end to the other. It's connected, it knows where it is, so you know where you are. Most of all, I'm proud of the people, the diverse group of people that have put this train together. We have over 18% female participation. We've got 15% apprentices and trainees from other backgrounds. 30% of apprentices are from Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander descent. Looking back on the project, I think what I'll keep in mind is what a great group of people, diverse group of people that helped put this train together.
Our priority is to manage the new trains for long-term reliability, availability and safety that Melbourne's growing population deserves. Our trains are equipped with the latest condition monitoring technology, which allows us to track the train's condition in real time. We are proud to be delivering the high-capacity Metro Trains project. It is Melbourne's new icon in public transport, workforce development and industry revitalisation. Downer, local expertise, world-class solutions.